Welcome to the another section of this mathematics. The focus is on class 10. Yeah, I am taking NCERT textbook and I followed that. And I'm trying to make I'm trying to make videos on uh, the circles and the concept of circles and as well as its problems. Okay, hope you have got my point. What I'm trying to speak about in this particular. So circle, something, but not to the scale. It's not looking good. So let me draw the circle as it is. Let me draw the circle. So you can see a circle. If I draw a circle, small circle like this. Still, I'm not satisfied. Let me draw it again. So let me take some points so that I can connect them properly and then draw the shape. Okay. Now this one is little away or misaligned. So let me draw this now. Yeah. So this is, I'm drawing with a hand. So this might look little problematic, but don't worry. By practice, you can actually do it. See, I'm still more going deeper and then trying to draw the circle. See, this is essential actually to understand how a circle looks like. Okay. With a free hand, we should actually should not continue the entire portion. So slowly, we need to develop the circle. Yeah. So see, this is the circle. This is the circle. So what do we understand from this circle? So there is something called a center. A center. Okay. There is something called center. Then let me take this circle again and then copy, paste. One more time. Now here, this time, I will try to draw something else here, which is known as this portion. This portion from the center point to any point on the line of the circle. This is known as radius. Okay. So this is known as what? A radius. Generally, the radius can be, denoted by capital R or the small r. Center is denoted by O. So this is O. This portion is R or small r. Again, let me take the circle again here. Now let me try to draw a line passing through the center and but extending, to the both ends of the circle. So this is one end of this particular straight line. This is one end of this particular straight line. But we are interested that straight line which passes through the center. So let me call this as A point and then B point. A is on the circle, B is on the circle. That is, you should remember, and it is passing through the center. So here, in totality, the line segment AB is called as the diameter. What is it called as? A diameter. Okay. Diameter is generally denoted by D, capital D or small d, whatever way convention. If I take capital D, I say two times the radius. If I take small d, it can be two times this radius again denoted by small r. So this is the motion. Now again, let me take yeah. Let me again copy. Yeah. So this is again one more circle. Yeah. Now again, let me come back and then let me paste one more circle now. Okay. So this is one more circle. This is one more time. Let me again copy it, keep it again, so that it will be easy for me to explain the different concepts in the circle. Yeah. Now the circle what we are considering now, I am taking the yeah. So now this point, suppose say this is the radius now. Okay. Let me take a darker portion. This is the radius, an exactly straight line perpendicular to the in a horizontal axis. But this meets at a point, let's say this meets at a point called P. Okay. Now I try to draw a line exactly perpendicular to the vertical line which is known as R. Now earlier we said that is radius. So we said this is something called R and this is the center, O. So one particular line is drawn which is perpendicular to this radius and this is the total line. This is known as a tangent. This is known as a tangent of the circle at one point, that is P. So P is becoming a point of contact. Suppose let me name this tangent as uh, let me name the tangent as something else. Okay, let me name this tangent as suppose say x and y. So if we want to find the length of the tangent, so that becomes the line segment ly xy, but we should know the boundaries, then we can actually further specifically find it. Okay. Now the one more point. Now again let me take another circle, but this time I am drawing a line which is not passing through the center, but which is passing through, which is actually cutting like this. Okay, straight line only. This can be this way, anywhere. This is known as this is known as this this particular diagram represents a secant or a chord. See, notation, it's our hands, x, y, or a, b, or p, q, whatever it is. But this is center. Now my interest is from O to x is radius, O to y is also radius. Both are same. OX and OY are same. Okay. This is XY. Here XY is known as chord or secant. So that is what you should understand. You should understand. Now the next circle, coming to the next circle, we have the portion of the Now the chord is there. Now totally these points is there. Now what do I do? I take a point, which is, suppose say somewhere, let me draw it again. Yeah, it should be straight line actually. So a straight line, yeah, somewhere my point is here. This is external point. External point. If I want to draw a tangent to the circle, there will be 2 points like this, something like this. And there will be a point here which will be something like this. It will be again touching the point of, this is a point of contact, and this one will become the point, and this will become the tangent. The very important thing is that any tangent is perpendicular to the radius. That you should remember. Any tangent is perpendicular to the radius. That is a basic question. So this portion, this line is radius, and this is 90 degrees, and this is radius, and this is 90 degrees. This is very important to know. But this point is external. So what we have done here is that tangents drawn tangents from external point. External point P. Okay. Let me write it again here because this looks very, very odd. Yeah. So tangents. Let me name this as A and this as B and this is O. Tangent from external point P. From any external point P, we can only draw two tangents at the maximum. So the angle OBP is equal to 90 degrees. Angle OAP is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. We'll see in the next lecture further.